ScanTheSun is a mobile application for designing the highest efficiency solar installations in 1 minute. In step 1 of the application, mark the building on the satellite image like shown here. In next step, enter the required data and approximate height of the roof. After draw PV area, use Mark Chimney and enter the chimney marking mode. Now you can mark the obstacles on the roof. To select more than one object, click Next Chimney to mark next object. In next step, enter the required data and approximate height of the chimneys above the roof surface. That may affect the operation of the PV installation. It only takes 2 clicks to mark a single obstacle. Next, click on the Reduce Perspective and slide your finger on the phone screen to recreate the walls of the building visible on the satellite contour. In step 2 of the application, use Sun Track to see the sun's trajectory. Now you can mark the obstacles that can cause shading around your installation area. It is a measurement of the environment that affect on the operation of the installation. In step 3 of the application, use Select Panel to select the model of the panel module that you plan to install. Next, click Make Project to see the 4-dimensional space-time yield map of the roof. You can select Yield Month Preview to see the solar potential distribution of the installation. Use Standard Installation and automatically create a standard installation project where panels are placed within the roof surface. Click Yield Month Preview to see the energy production and shading integrated for each separate month. You can also use Effective Installation and automatically create an effective installation project with the highest efficiency and minimum numbers of panels placed in the plane of the roof. Click Yield Month Preview to see the energy production and shading integrated for each separate month. Immediately, you have all the data in your hand. Energy production as a function of the time with hours resolution, energy loss due to shading, etc. You can also see the details for each separate month. Finally, you can create your online report that contains all data for your installation project. Complete the data and click on the link on the right side. You have all the data in your online report, with additional data and more specific plots, yield, ratings and values for selected season. You will receive the report link to your email too. Final data and graphs are calculated from a large set of calculation points, which significantly increases the precision of the yield forecast. You can also use measurements in the main menu to check your online report.